Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get followers on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, define your niche. What are you passionate about? Whether it's art, photography, writing, or anything else. Having a clear theme will attract followers with similar interest. Create engaging content. Focus on creating engaging and high quality content. Whether it's original creations or cartoon posts, make sure it resonates with your chosen niche. Quality content is more likely to be shared and discovered. Use tags effectively. Make use of tags. Tags help your content get discovered by people interested in those topics. But remember, be strategic and don't overdo it. Use relevant and popular tags to increase visibility. Interact with the community. Engage with the Tumblr community, like reblog and comment on posts that align with your interest. This not only increase your visibility but also establish you as an active member of the community. Network and collaborate. Network with other Tumblr's users in your niche. Follow them, reblog their content, and initiate conversations. Collaborations can be fantastic way to expand your reach. So that's it. Growing your followers on Tumblr is a journey. So be patient and stay consistent. So thanks for watching our videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skillful content. And drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.